Value-added features are essentially products that we combine with our core products to enhance their performance and functionalities. So one major functionality is protection. We're bringing in our elements, timber elements. They often have finished surfaces, so it's about protecting them during the construction period. And one major threat is moisture. The other, for example, is UV radiation that causes discoloration. So with our coatings or membranes, we can really take that risk away and make sure that the products end up in your finished building in the way they leave our mills. So we're talking moisture protection, we're talking UV protection, fire protection potentially, and also it could include acoustic performance. In certain markets, the use of insecticide is required. So with this insecticide, we can comply with local legislation and make sure that the timber is safely used throughout the entire life cycle. There's quite a few benefits for our customers, and one major benefit is increased speed on site. So if the elements arrive pre-coated on site, you can just continue with the following trades. There is no need to manually paint to allow for drying times, so that actually makes a huge difference in terms of your construction process. So if you choose to work with our pre-coated elements, that saves you in the end both time and money. And then when we're looking at the economics, it's of course about risk mitigation. So if you bring your elements on site and they're already protected, you can definitely avoid delays, you can avoid remedial works, and that in the end is a potential cost saver. And the other part is the quality that we can bring. So on-site processes are hectic, chaotic, you have different environmental influences. All of that is not happening in our mill. We have a setup process, we have quality control. So the way we can do and apply these products in our mills, you can never do that on site. Also, there is a scarcity of skilled labor, so it's going to be harder and harder to find the people to do paintings and coatings and other kinds of works on site. We've been offering these value-added features for a while now, but we really see a significant uptake from the market, both in overall quantity, but also in project size. Especially larger projects tend to be more risk averse. They want to avoid delays, and that's why they specify these products early on in the design process. We have a big potential here to innovate and also to increase our capabilities, to automate. It's not about bringing processes off from on-site to off-site and keep doing them manually. It's about automation, it's about industrializing, it's about driving standards. And by doing so, we will make building with timber more competitive and more attractive.